In today's fast-paced work environments, delays and inefficiencies are costly. Employees waste valuable time searching for instructions, safety procedures, or troubleshooting steps, slowing productivity and increasing errors. Imagine if the right information was only a scan away and exactly where it's needed. Meet TAGGIS QR, the smart way to access workplace information instantly. A quick scan unlocks up-to-date manuals, safety protocols, training materials, and troubleshooting guides, right where they're needed. No more outdated documents, no more unnecessary delays, so your team can get on with their work, not search for it. TAGGIS QR provides controlled access tailored to your needs. The admin interface ensures that employees only see the information relevant to their role, location, and/or department. Everyone receives the right data, whether it's your machine operators, maintenance teams, company management, or external contractors. Strategically placed QR codes on equipment, workstations, and shared areas provide instant role-based access, even in offline environments. There's more. Does an issue need to be reported? Scan, submit, and track progress in real time with a built-in ticketing system to ensure timely issue resolution. Integration is easy. TAGGIS QR integrates seamlessly into any system and work environment, from factories and warehouses to hospitals and offices. It keeps operations running smoothly, reduces downtime, and enhances workplace safety. Stop searching, start solving. Work smarter with TAGGIS QR. Scan, access, act, success.